I am like all into food. Oh my god, it turned out to be amazing and super yum. Hi guys, I'm Shivani Trehan and welcome back to my channel Social Cravings. So honestly, I was super excited to share this video with all of you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free puri. Well, this is also a replacement for a bhatura. What do you call bhatura in English? Actually, let me just Google it. This is interesting. Okay, so guys, it's called bhatura only. Otherwise, it's too long. Like Google is written, is a fluffy, deep-fried, leavened sourdough bread originating from the Indian subcontinent. So ever since I went on this gluten-free diet because of my health condition called endometriosis, which most of you now already know about. And in case you want to know more, you can watch some of the videos on my YouTube channel. So I was unable to have chola bhatura or chola kulcha, and being a Punjabi, I absolutely love this dish. It is perhaps one of my favorite vegetarian dishes. My mom makes amazing chanas at home. There are actually two types of chanas, right? One is the dry chanas, which taste better with the bhaturas, and then other gravy chanas, which taste better with the rice. So both the chanas get really well made in my house, though I could have the gravy chanas with the rice, but I was really missing the entire combination of the dry chanas with the bhatura. So we wanted to try a gluten-free puri, and that's how we landed up trying this recipe, and oh my god, it turned out to be amazing and super yum. And the ingredients in this recipe are also super healthy. For example, this recipe has sweet potatoes, which is very rich in fiber. It is very rich in iron. It is rich in B6, vitamin D, A and C. And it also improves your digestion. This recipe also has ajwain, in English called carom seeds, which help in improving your digestion, easing inflammation and improving irregular menses. This recipe also has curry leaves, which has very high antioxidant properties. It is rich in iron and folate. It promotes weight loss and lowers cholesterol. And many other benefits and ingredients, guys. Let's dive into the recipe now. I have already boiled half kg sweet potato, then peeled it and then put it aside to cool down. Then we need some ajwain, some sauf, some zeera and some green chilies. We will then take half a teaspoon each of these ingredients and blend them in a small blender. To this mix, we will add some curry leaves and blend again. Then gently start mashing the sweet potato with the help of a fork in the bowl. We will then add a pinch of salt, a pinch of red chili powder and some ground pepper to this mix. Mash and mix these into the sweet potato. Now we will add the spice mix to this as well. Now I'm going to be using makki ka atta for this recipe, also known as corn flour, to make it gluten-free. And add this to the mix as well. In case you don't have any problems with gluten, you can also use whole wheat flour instead. You now need to mix everything well and knead the dough. This is what the final consistency of the dough should look like. Puri. What are we making? We're making puris. Pixie will have gluten-free puri. We will now heat the oil and drop a pinch of the dough to see if the oil is nicely heated. And yes, it is. Now since I'm also shooting, I'm requesting my house help to make the puris. All you need to do is take some dough, make a small ball out of it and gently press it between your hands. You can even make the puris and store the puris if you like for a couple of days, say for about 3 to 4 days. And that's it, guys, we are ready to eat. Puris consume a lot of oil, right? Ultimately, it is fried food. So no matter how much you dab it in your tissues and your newspapers, a lot of oil gets retained when you're having puris. So when I have this meal, I actually have this as my cheat meal. So what you can do is try avoiding overeating even when you're having it as a cheat meal. Or alternatively, what you can do is make a roti or a parantha out of it to reduce the oil consumption. And then you will be able to get the benefits of all the wonderful ingredients in this recipe, and you'll be able to have this a lot more often. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you try this recipe. Please do share it with me on how it came out. And wait for me to share more wonderful recipes. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Lots of love.